Respected chiefs, head of departments, colleagues all over Mauritius, welcome to Regi Auditorium today. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise on your feet if you can and put your hands together to give a thunderous round of applause as we warmly welcome the international renowned motivational speaker, Mr. Nikil Desai.
We do not learn the lesson that failure has taught us, then it is a failure. Otherwise, it's only a lesson that takes us to ultimate success. I always believe the greatest bankrupt in the world is not a person who doesn't have money. The greatest bankrupt in the world is a person who doesn't have enthusiasm for this beautiful gift of life.
I'd like to say that why this is a meaningful day today, we always had that dream and that vision. I can tell you, Mr. Sugdao and Mr. Suman and myself, we wanted to bring international speakers to our workforce, and today we managed to do that through Mr. Desai. He's a TEDx speaker, motivational speaker, globetrotter, I can say so, and I hope we all enjoyed those sessions.
I think it was awesome. It was just wonderful being with more than like 400 people all together in a day. And I could see the difference in the eyes of the people at the end of my sessions. I could see their smile, their energy, everything has gone up. And I wish that they have a lot of success and happiness in their lives.